Writing Yourself to Success, a lesson by Cool Derby Academy. Have you been searching for a way to inspire others? Do you find yourself confused on how to get started? Try writing. There is power to channel our thoughts and ideas with others by putting them down on paper. By writing things down, we increase our message's intensity. Writing also allows us to motivate and inspire others. The written word can evoke transformation, which means we become change agents. Some people may find themselves perplexed at the thought of writing. How does one even begin to compare to the likes of Ernest Hemingway, Jane Austen, or Charles Dickens? Well, being a writer isn't hard to achieve as long as you're organized and able to develop a plan and carry it out with discipline. Writing simply means that you are a communicator of thoughts, ideas, and advice. One cannot expect to know everything. Therefore, strong research skills are needed. The internet makes research much easier. Remember, writing cannot be mastered overnight. Be prepared for feedback from others regarding what you write, and some of it may not be great. Don't be worried, keep working at it. It's best to keep an open mind when others critique your writing. This feedback is invaluable and can be used as a resource to your improvement. Stick with it regardless of the feedback you receive. Thick skin matters. Now that we've discussed the basics of writing, let's help you get started. Step 1. Regardless of your situation, start writing. If you are in school or university, take your writing seriously. Do your research, share it with other students, and seek specific feedback from your instructor. Even if you are not in a business setting, write in a professional manner and not as if you are texting. You can even consider starting a blog. The ability to share your knowledge with others will open many doors. We are just cracking the surface of writing yourself to success. Stay connected with Cool Derby Academy as we create a powerful video series that will improve your writing skills and help you inspire others with your thoughts and ideas.